Looking for the best synthetic motor oils in 2026? In this video, we review the top full synthetic engine oils that deliver outstanding engine protection, smoother performance, better fuel efficiency, and long-lasting durability. Whether you drive a daily commuter, sports car, truck, or SUV, these premium motor oils can help extend engine life and improve performance. Watch till the end to discover which synthetic oil is the perfect choice for your vehicle in 2026. Number 3. The Valvoline Max Life High Mileage 5W30 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil is a dependable and affordable motor oil designed specifically for vehicles with over 75,000 miles. Combining synthetic blend protection with seal conditioning technology, this oil helps older engines stay cleaner, smoother, and better protected against wear and leaks. One of the key highlights of Max Life is its seal conditioners, which are formulated to help prevent oil leaks and reduce oil consumption in aging engines. This makes it an excellent option for high-mileage cars, trucks, and SUVs that may experience seal wear over time. Valvoline also claims up to 20% better wear protection and 15% better sludge defense compared to industry standards, helping extend engine life and maintain reliable performance. The formula contains advanced detergents and friction-fighting additives that help reduce harmful deposits, corrosion, and internal engine friction. This not only keeps the engine cleaner, but can also improve fuel efficiency and overall performance. It meets or exceeds major standards including API-SQ, API-SP, and ILSAC GF7A, making it compatible with many modern gasoline engines. Customer reviews are very positive. One longtime user shared that they have used Valvoline Max Life since their car's first oil change, and even after more than 10 years, the engine still runs smoothly with no leaks. Another reviewer praised the oil's consistent reliability and appreciated the redesigned Easy Pour bottle with a clear viewing strip for measuring remaining oil. The 5-quart bottle is convenient for most standard oil changes and easy garage storage. Overall, the Valvoline Max Life High Mileage 5W30 Synthetic Blend offers strong engine protection, leak prevention. Number 2. The Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W30 is one of the most trusted synthetic motor oils on the market, offering excellent engine protection, smooth performance, and long-lasting durability for a wide range of vehicles. Designed with Mobil 1's advanced triple-action formula, this oil focuses on engine performance, cleanliness, and wear protection, making it a strong choice for daily drivers and long-distance commuters alike. One of the standout features is its ability to protect critical engine components for up to 10,000 miles between oil changes. The synthetic formula helps resist oxidation and oil breakdown while maintaining consistent viscosity under both high and low temperatures. It also meets ILSAC GF6 standards, helping reduce low-speed pre-ignition and timing chain wear in modern engines while improving fuel economy. Mobil 1 also performs extremely well in extreme weather conditions. It provides heat protection up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and cold weather flow protection down to -30 degrees Fahrenheit, helping engines start smoothly and stay protected year-round. Additionally, the oil is formulated to help remove sludge and reduce internal engine temperatures for cleaner operation. Customer feedback is highly positive. One reviewer mentioned that their engine runs noticeably smoother after every oil change and appreciated the consistent performance between maintenance intervals. Another customer shared that they could immediately feel the difference in their older Lexus after switching to Mobil 1, helping the vehicle continue running at its best. The convenient 5-quart bottle is suitable for many standard oil changes and easy to store in the garage. Overall, the Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic 5W30. Number 1. The Castrol Edge High Mileage 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil is designed specifically for vehicles with over 75,000 miles, offering strong engine protection, reduced wear, and long-lasting performance for aging engines. Known for its trusted reputation and advanced synthetic formula, this oil is a popular choice among drivers who want to keep high-mileage vehicles running smoothly and efficiently. One of the biggest advantages of this motor oil is its ability to help reduce oil burn-off, leaks, and harmful engine deposits. The formula includes phosphorus replacement technology, which helps protect the vehicle's emission system while maintaining strong lubrication under high temperatures and heavy driving conditions. It also supports extended oil change intervals of up to 15,000 miles or 1 year, depending on driving habits and manufacturer recommendations. Performance-wise, the oil flows smoothly and provides excellent protection during both cold starts and high heat operation. It meets or exceeds major industry standards, including APISP, ILSAC GF6, and specifications for Ford and Chrysler vehicles, making it compatible with a wide variety of engines. Customer reviews highlight its dependable performance in older vehicles. One user mentioned using it in a sedan with over 180,000 miles and noticed reduced burn-off and improved heat handling compared to cheaper oils. Another reviewer appreciated Castrol's long-standing reputation and noted that their high-mileage Honda engine continued running without consuming oil between service intervals. The convenient 5-quart bottle size is ideal for most oil changes and easy storage. Overall, the Castrol Edge High Mileage 5W30 delivers strong engine protection, smooth performance, and reliable durability. Thanks for watching our best synthetic motor oils review in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect engine oil for better performance, protection, and engine longevity. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews and automotive buying guides. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Which synthetic motor oil is your favorite? Let us know